Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this video on how to make black salt. So I just want to let you guys know first and foremost that this is my first video and I'm super excited about it. So thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Subscribe if you want more videos like this. So black salt. The properties of black salt are far and wide, but ultimately it banishes negativity and it attracts positivity into your life, into your home. But today we are going to be going over how to make the black salt. So for my ingredients here today, I have 2 tablespoons of charcoal, and I have 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and then I have 2 teaspoons of black pepper. So the charcoal is for the banishing, the sea salt is for attracting the positivity, and then the black pepper is also for banishing as well. So all you need to do here is add your ingredients together. So I have my charcoal. I'm gonna go ahead and add the black pepper in. And I'm gonna add the sea salt. You don't wanna add too much sea salt so it doesn't give it that gray color. You want it to be black. So I got my gold spoon here to attract wealth and prosperity, and we're gonna just stir it up. Okay, and that is how you make black salt, guys. So basically the uses for black salt, what you want to do is you have a couple ways you could use it. You could take little pinches of it. You don't need too much because remember that the charcoal does stain. Take pinches of it and put it in the corners around your house, and that will banish the negative energy and repel just any negative spirits, any negative vibes, even people. I wouldn't suggest doing it anywhere where there's carpet, but if you have any hardwood floors or tile or anything like that, go ahead and put it in the corners around your house. You can also put water in this, and you don't want to use too much. I would probably say maybe a tablespoon of water and stir it up. And then over time it'll crystallize. So what will happen with that is once the salt crystallizes, you can use it same way. It just kind of holds that energy in there a little more. So you could use it either just the powder by itself, or you could use the water and crystallize it if you would like. So that's how to make black salt, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments, and I got y'all. Thank you.